GlamFam, Linwood here, and today I want to talk to you guys really briefly about all of these doggone supplements that I am seeing online, especially on Instagram, where everybody and their mama want to post these crazy pictures of them and these supplements, but they've got on wigs, or their head is shaved, or they've got tons of hair extensions in, and they're claiming that it's responsible for their healthy hair, or their thick hair, or their full hair, or the fact that they can go through all these coloring services like you can't have regular hair care stuff. And meanwhile, when you check out how much these vitamin gummies cost, it's literally like $80. If it's on sale, it's regularly $90. And it's crazy to me that people are buying this, and people keep on asking me like what my thoughts are about it. Don't fall for the nonsense. Don't do it. Like, I have an entire playlist if you'd like to know how to grow your hair healthfully and maintain some length. It's called Hair Care Tips and Advice. It will not cost you $90, and it gives you practical, easy tips to follow on how you can grow your hair in a more healthy manner that doesn't involve spending a ridiculous amount every month on a supplement that's not going to do a ton for you. If you insist on taking a supplement, let it be something with your doctor's approval that is for the entire body, because if your hair is long and your spleen falls out, guess what? You ain't worried about your hair, boo. If I see one more of these Instagram posts where the person is over here like, putting on his wig is easy with Starburst, I'm gonna snap. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna snap. I can't take it anymore. It just seems like, when did we start doing this? When was it okay? It's not. So please don't fall for that trickery. It's not all right. I don't care how many pictures you see of them laying down with gummy bears in their hair. Let's not fall for that. The gummy bear is not in their stomach. Okay? All right. Side note, it's the holiday season, and this is my version of decorating my room at the shop. I didn't want to do too much, but literally the rest of the room is still the same. At any rate, until next time, you guys, take care, God bless, stay glam, you know I love you, boo. And if you'd like to see more informative videos like this and many others, feel free to subscribe, share, all that loveliness. Take care, you guys. Bye.